Okay. So we're in the oldest part of our vineyard. I like to take people to this area because it really demonstrates what we mean when we talk about a field blend. Virtually every other vine here is a different variety, but they all go into the Zinfandel. Here we have Zinfandel, but next we have Syrah, then we have a white grape, Palomino. It's a sherry grape. A lot of old Zinfandel vineyards will have some Palomino thrown in. This is an interesting grape. This is Petit Bouschet. And there were plant breeders in France named Bouschet who came up with a family of red-fleshed vines. And Petit Bouschet was one of the first. The father, Louis Bouschet, created this. His son came along years later, crossed Petit Bouschet with Grenache to make Alicante Bouschet. And Alicante Bouschet makes up about 10% of our Zinfandel. So here we have another Zinfandel vine, and then we go over here, and this is Alicante Bouschet. We're in the middle of July. Things are just beginning to just show color. Here we have Petit Sirah. Petit Sirah is an important part of our Zinfandel blend. It adds color and structure. It's a very difficult grape if it rains at harvest time because it has such a tight cluster. It doesn't dry out and it's prone to rot. But it's really an important component of the blend. Then here's one of our minor grapes. This is called Trousseau. Trousseau originates in the eastern part of France called the Jura. This is one of the original 1890 vines. You can see from the gnarly old trunk, but the vine is doing very well, even 130 years on.